Electromagnetic flow meters are the leading meter choice for recording the flow volume of electrically conductive liquids, such as you would find in HVAC systems.
The electromagnetic flow meters have a distinct advantage in HVAC flow circuits because of the zero pressure drop across them. So where we have traditional mechanical meters being used, we find that the pressure drop added across a system will add more energy requirements from the pumps, which means that the whole system starts to run slightly at a higher capacity, maybe minimal, but over a large system and lots of systems are in a building, it adds up. Plus the water quality, mechanical systems can start to become degraded, like the pumps and everything else. And also we have the problems with mechanical meters losing calibration over a period of time because it's a mechanical device, where the electromagnetic meter doesn't have any moving parts. The water passes through and it uses the electromagnetic technology, like a Faraday's cage, to measure the conductivity of the fluid passing through, and the voltage signal allows the system to give an accurate flow reading. And when I say accurate, we're talking 0.02%.
MAG meters use the principle of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. This is where a conductor passing through a magnetic field will generate a small voltage. In MAG meters, we have coils that are surrounding the liquid and the flow tube, and because water is typically conductive, certainly in HVAC systems, we're able to generate a small voltage which is directly proportional to the velocity of the liquid. Because we know the bore of the pipe, we're also able to calculate the volume of the liquid flowing through there. Electromagnetic flow meters can be used on a wide variety of liquids. Certainly, when we talk about water and water with glycol, we're able to measure these very effectively. When it comes to deionized water, demineralized water, as there is not enough conductivity, that becomes more problematic to install MAG meters. In that case, we might want to use a Dynasonics TFX5000 non-invasive clamp-on ultrasonic flow meter, as this device can work with demineralized water. The Badgermeter ModMAG electromagnetic flow meters are class leading. They are able to operate with zero straight run and still provide very high accuracy, typically plus or minus 1%, which is very useful in systems where we're trying to make energy efficiencies.